everyone, welcome to my channel. So it's summertime again, and as the season changes, our skin also changes. And now it's time for my skin to change into oily skin a little bit, and therefore I searched and got my hands on a very good brand which is very natural,
and it is called Via Natural. It has
a wide range of products ranging from face wash, face serums, moisturizers and so many. If you have noticed my previous Instagram feeds, then you must have noticed that I have bought and used their face serum previously, and I have posted its detailed review about the same on my Instagram page, and I really found that serum very effective and very good on my skin. Therefore, this time when I have to order a new skincare product for my changing skin, I trusted on this brand and I have ordered a cleanser and a moisturizer for myself.
When I first used the turmeric and tea tree cleanser, it didn't produce a lot of foam like all other face wash does. So I researched a lot about it and found out that all those products which are sulfate free do not produce a lot of lather. So basically, foam is a parameter to judge whether the product is sulfate free or not. And the best part of this Via Natural's turmeric and tea tree cleanser is that it's sulfate free, paraben free, and when I used it on my skin, I found out that it controls only excess oil and doesn't dry out the skin, and my skin actually felt fresh and hydrated. So follow this in your CTM regime, as you must be knowing, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Use this cleanser, and after that,
so the second product which I have been using is peptide moisturizer. Is nowadays the most talked about ingredient in the field of skincare. You must be noticing that what does peptide means? Well, peptides are basically amino acids that make up certain proteins needed by our skin, especially collagen. So if you add peptides, then it can stimulate your skin to make collagen. More collagen can lead to firmer, younger looking and a very beautiful and glowing skin. Since the day I have started using it, my skin has started feeling very soft and supple and matte also, because as you know that I have got a combination and a sort of oily skin. So both the products, the cleanser and the moisturizer, very good, very soft and gentle on my skin, and I really trust this brand, and I highly recommend you to go and buy cleanser and their moisturizer and try it out yourself. It is the best in the market, which is sulfate free, has got amazing fragrance and is very good for your skin, especially for oily skin. However, if you've got dry skin, you can try their other range product, but this brand is the most trusted brand nowadays in the market. You can buy their products directly from Amazon or from Flipkart, or by ordering their products directly from their Instagram account. So go guys, do try their products and share your views and opinion about the same in the description box below.